again, Teacher Sky. Welcome back to your constant dose of English. For this video, we are going to discuss about essay connectors. Did you know that there are many linkers and connectors that will allow you to use the English language more powerfully? Today, we will examine linkers which indicates contrast. We will provide you with their meanings and give example sentences. In this way, we believe that you can use these linkers much more easily in your essay works. Now, let's get started. So, when you use these connectors, which will give you the meaning of contrast to the sentence, one half of the sentence and the other half should contain contradictory and unexpected statements. So now, let me give you some examples. Number 1, in spite of. For example, in spite of the pain in his leg, he completed the marathon. Number 2, despite. For example, despite having a headache, I had a great birthday. Number 3, however. For example, I have a lot of homework tonight. However, I made a promise to go with her. Number 4, although. For example, although they were rich, they lived simply and peacefully. Number 5 and the last number, whereas. For example, the old system was fairly complicated, whereas the new system is really very simple. And that's your constant dose of English for today. This is Teacher Sky. See you all on the next update. Goodbye!